children, today I am back with a new lesson for you. Today we are going to learn how to transform the assertive sentences to exclamatory sentences. Okay? We already have learned what do you mean by assertive sentence, is it not? So assertive sentence means what? The sentence that makes a statement of declaration, is it not? Now here the new is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence means what? It expresses strong feelings or emotions. Okay, exclamatory sentence is the sentence which expresses strong feelings or emotions, and it always ends with an exclamatory mark. Exclamatory sentence always ends with an exclamatory mark, that you can see that. So this is called exclamatory mark. Okay, an assertive sentence always ends with a full stop, and it is always a statement. Okay, now here assertive sentence I have written here is, for assertive sentence I have written a sentence, Sachin is a great player. So in this you can see that Sachin, about whom it is talking about, Sachin. Okay, here is a subject, is it not? And here this stands as a verb here. Okay, and great is what? Great is an adjective. Okay, why I am making that great as adjective? Because it is describing, this word great is describing about this noun, is it not? The word that describes about the noun is called an adjective, like that we have already learned in 4th standard, 5th standard question answers, is it not? So this word is describing about this Sachin. So therefore this great is called adjective. Okay, and this player is a common noun. It's a noun, common noun, and this stands as a subject. This is the verb here. Okay, and this is adjective, and this is common noun, that is player. Okay, in this is assertive sentence, simple sentence, that is. Now exclamatory sentences, how you have to change this into exclamatory. There are certain rules you need to follow. Just how I have changed, just I have shown you. Okay, so what you will wonder, seeing is how he scores runs, how he bowls, everything. Seeing his play, what you will do, you will be amazed, you will be surprised. Okay, what kind of a person he is. So how you will express your emotions, how you will express your feelings towards him. Wow, what a person he is it not? So similarly here you are using that word, question word, what a great player Sachin is, like that you are expressing here, is it not? And at the end of the sentence you will express that, you will insert an exclamatory mark over there. Okay, now let us rule. What are the rules? Okay, now let us turn to the rules now. First one is underline whenever any sentence, assertive sentence is given. What you have to do, underline. Okay, you have to underline the subject and verb. It may be, the verb may be helping verb, or either helping verb or main verb. Whatever verb, whichever verb may be, you have to underline the subject and verb. Okay, that is the first thing you will do. And the second thing what you will do, you will cross out. Cross out means what? Cross out means you will put like this, cross. Okay, you will not include that. While changing any sentence into exclamatory sentence, you will cross out the words like, okay, what are the words? What are the words? Extremely, very, so, greatly, many words. Okay, immensely. Okay, that will be. So all the adverbs, what you have to do, you have to cross out. You have to omit these words. That is called cross out. Okay, the second rule, this is the second thing you have to do. And the third one, what you have to do, can you identify, could you be able to identify the adjective in the sentence? I have told you the word that describes about the noun, that talks about the noun, that word is called adjective, I told you, is it not? So that is called adjective. That, for example, I told you Sachin is a great player, so great is an adjective then, so that word. Okay, so that is that is adjective. Okay, now third rule is if there is a or an, okay, articles is such as a or an in the sentence, okay, insert what before a and an. Okay, a and an in a sentence. Sachin is a great player. So before a is an article, is it not? Before that a, what you have to add? Insert what you have to add before this article, a and an. Okay, this is the third rule. Fourth one is if there is no article, okay, that means a or an, it is not there in the sentence. What you have to do? You have to insert, okay, only I am talking about a and an, okay, not the a and an only. Insert how before that adjectives. Adjective means I have explained to you. Okay, so you have to insert how before, just before that adjective, before that great, you have to add how, great, like that. If there is no article, a, Sachin is a great player, so a is not there, means that time such cases you have to use this how. Okay, now some more rules. Now listen, I have written what I have taught you earlier, that I have written in simple words here. How plus adjective plus noun plus verb. When you use how, you have your formation must be like this. Okay, when you use what in a sentence, the formation of the sentence, the structure of the sentence must be like this. Structure is this: what plus a or an, whatever article is there, plus adjective plus noun. Now here let us see here the first sentence I have written for you. Akhil is a very clever boy. Okay, Akhil is a very clever boy, I have written. Now you can see the first rule. Can you go to the first rule? Turn to the first rule and see what you have to underline first. The subject and the verb. Okay, so the subject and the verb you have underlined. Then what you have to do? You have to cross out. Okay, you have to cross out the adverbs, the words such as, okay, this, very, extremely, that and all. So this thing you will cross out. Okay, you will omit this, cross out this. And then what you have to do, if there is an article, can you identify here which word is adjective here? Clever is the adjective. Okay, so this you write it. Okay, this is adjective. Okay, so now, is there any article in the sentence? Yes, a is there, is it not? So before that article, what you had to add? Which word, how or what you have to add here? What. So you are using this thing. Okay, so you will start the sentence using what. Then what, this a or an. So here a is there. What a. Okay, what a. Then what is this? Clever, adjective. This is adjective. So what a clever. Okay, then this noun. Okay, boy. What a clever boy. Okay, what a clever boy. Akhil is. This thing, last one, the subject and verb, you have to bring it at the end of the sentence. Akhil is. Exclamatory mark. What a clever boy Akhil is. Okay, this is the way you have to start the sentence. If you want to add, if you want to use how in this, shall we try how, using how? Okay, you can omit this a also. Okay, so how you have to use? Okay, then adjective. How plus adjective, no? So how clever. Yeah. Now here two subjects are there. Okay, Akhil is also there. So proper noun is also there. Common noun also is there. Which one if you use? They'll be easily under. They can easily understand. If you mention his name, they will come to know. Is it not? So better we will use this noun. Okay, not that noun. This noun you will use. So how clever Akhil is. Okay. How clever Akhil is. How clever Akhil is. Okay. Either of the ways you can write it. Okay. Which which example you are comfortable with, that example you can use it. Okay. Now the second example is the Taj Mahal looks very magnificent. The Taj Mahal looks very magnificent. So now here also what you're going to do, here you're going to underline the subject and the verb. Okay. And then what you're going to do, you're going to cross out the words such as this, very, that, things, and very, greatly, that and all. Okay, adverbs. Then what you have to do, you will underline the, you will see that which word is adjective. So this is adjective. Okay. Now is there any article here? Using what can we write? You cannot write here now. Is it not? Shall we try using how? Okay. If there is no article, so you can use how. Okay. So how. So start how. Okay. How. Then what you have to do? Adjective. How magnificent. How magnificent. Then this which you have underlined. Okay. Subject and verb. How magnificent the Taj Mahal looks. Okay. Exclamatory mark. Don't forget to insert an exclamatory mark at the end of the sentence. Then next also I have some more rules. Okay. Now see, listen here. In assertive sentences, there may be sentences starting with like these words. Okay. I wish that. If the sentence begins with I wish, words like I wish that, you have in the exclamatory sentence, you need, instead of this, you have to use this, oh that. Okay, in exclamatory sentence, you have to use, instead of these words, you have to use oh that. Then second one, it is sad that. When it comes, it is sad that, instead of these words, you have to use alas. Okay, and then it is a matter of joy that. When it comes like this, you have to use hooray. After that, exclamatory mark. Okay. Fourth one, it is a matter of praise that. When a sentence starts like this, you have to use bravo. Okay. Then fifth one, it is very strange. When the sentence is started using this tense, you have to use how strange. And then sixth one is, it is very painful. When a sentence starts with these words, it is very painful, you have to start in the exclamatory sentence, how painful, you have to start. Okay, these are the starting, okay, the sentences you have to start using these. When these words, when the assertive sentence begin with this phrase or what, the words or phrases, you have to start in the exclamatory sentence, you have to use, instead of these words, you have to use this. Okay, now next is, now see, there are few sentences that I have written. Okay, the assertive sentences. This assertive sentences you have to change into exclamatory sentences. Okay, so now the first rule was just before. Previously I have written some rules. Is it not? Instead of I wish that, what you have to use? Do you remember? Instead of this I wish that, what you have to use? Oh that. Okay, so whatever rules I am giving you, please take down in your notebook, grammar notes. Don't forget it, and the examples that I am giving you, everything you need to note it down. Just, it is not a fun time for you to just see this video and just pause it and just leave it off, okay, and forget it. We are not giving for that purpose, okay. We are giving it to take down in your note and work it out and learn the rules, and then you practice it using the examples, okay. So now, I wish that will change into oh that, okay. So, oh that, you will write it, I were a millionaire, okay. Then similarly here, second sentence, it is sad that, okay. So, instead of this, it is sad that, what you need to write? An exclamatory sentence, alas, okay, alas, he failed, okay. Now see the third sentence, it is a matter of joy that he passed. It is a matter of joy that it passed, is it not? So now which one, instead of which phrase you have to use hooray, it is a matter of joy. Okay, that. It is a matter of joy that. So instead of this you will write hooray, exclamatory mark, he passed. Okay, understood? Now some more sentences, we will practice it. Okay. Okay, now shall we start? The bridegroom looks very charming. Okay, the bridegroom looks very charming. What you have to do? Underline the subject and the verb. Okay, leave it off. And then what you have to do? Cross out the adverbs such as very, greatly, immensely, and all. Okay, this you have to cross out. And with this adjective here, charming is adjective. So this is adjective. Now do you remember the rules? Okay, how, if you want to use how, means how plus adjective plus noun plus verb. If you want to use what, means what plus article means a or an plus adjective plus noun. Okay, now shall we try first using, here is there any article here? No article. So no need of using what, we will try using how. Okay, so first you will start the sentence using how. Then how plus adjective, charming. So how charming, okay, how charming. Then this the bridegroom looks. Okay, how charming the bridegroom looks. Okay, exclamatory mark. If you want to use what, also you can use it, but you have to provide an article for that. Okay, you have to provide an article. So how you will write what? Okay, what. Before that adjective, a or article should be there, a or an. So what? Then this charming. What a charming, which is a noun. Okay, the bridegroom. The bridegroom, no need. What a charming bridegroom you can write. This is enough. What a charming bridegroom. This is enough. Okay, it is understood that the bridegroom looks charming. Okay, you can use either of the ways. Now here, it was a very nasty fall. Okay, now in this subject, okay, it is talking about this eat. So it is a subject here, was is a verb. Okay, and which is the, you have to cross out which word, this adverb. Okay, cross out this. And which one is adjective here? This nasty is the adjective. And this is the noun, common noun. Okay, so here it is acting as a noun only, common noun. Okay, now how we will start? Using what or how. Here article is there, so better it will be easy for what, you can use what. Okay, before an article you will use what. So what a nasty adjective, then fall noun. Okay, then here at the beginning of the sentence, you have to take out what a nasty fall it was. Okay, yes, here no need of how. Then third one, the day is very fine. In this, the day subject is verb. So you have underlined here. Then very you have to cross out. Sorry, you have to cross out this very. Okay, and then fine is talking about, describing about the day. So this is adjective. Okay, is there any article here? No article. So shall we try using how? Okay, how. How plus adjective, how fine. Then the beginning of the sentence, the day is. How fine. What you have underlined, that you have to take down at the end of the sentence. Okay. Shall we try Um using what also shall we try here? It will come. Okay, what? Okay. Then article you provided. What a. Okay. Then what is adjective? Fine. Then what is a noun here? A day. Only this day you will take out here. Okay. What a fine day. Enough. You should not write what a fine the day is, like that, or you no need to write. What a fine day. Okay. Like that you can write. Now I hope you have understood through these examples. Okay, I have made you understand using these examples. So please I request you, learn these rules and try to understand this, and please learn the rules that are given to you. Okay, thank you children.